In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a linked note system in Obsidian to organize your projects and tasks. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open Obsidian. You'll be greeted by your vault, which is just the folder where all your notes live. Go ahead and open that vault. Once you're inside, click the New Note button. This creates a blank note in your vault. Name this note Projects and press Enter. This is going to be your home base where you track everything you're working on. Now click New Note again. Name this second note Tasks and press Enter. You now have two separate containers, one for your big picture projects and one for the daily or weekly tasks that move them forward. Open the Projects note. Here, you're going to type double square brackets around the word tasks, like this. Open bracket, tasks, close bracket, close bracket. That creates a link inside Obsidian. When you see that note turn into a clickable link, go ahead and click it. That will jump you directly into the tasks note. You've just made your first connection. Now it's time to build out your system. Create a few more notes from scratch. Click New Note and name it Ideas, then another called Meetings, and one more called Goals. You now have a simple but powerful structure. The real magic happens when you link these notes together. Open the Ideas note and type double square brackets around Meetings. Then link it to Goals the same way. Back in your Projects note. Link to Ideas, Meetings, and Goals using the same double bracket format. Now every piece of information is connected. When you're working and you come across something that relates to a goal or an idea, just link it right then. This keeps your notes from becoming isolated islands of text. To see all these connections visually, click the graph view icon in the left sidebar. That icon looks like a few dots connected by lines. Now you'll see a web of nodes where each note is a circle, and the lines show how they link together. You can click any node to jump directly to that note. And if you need to find a linked note fast, press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac to bring up the command palette, then start typing the note name. This lets you navigate your entire system without ever touching your mouse. You've now built a fully linked note system in Obsidian, connecting projects, tasks, ideas, meetings, and goals into one searchable visual map. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.